Hey you guys, my name's Josh and I'm out here at Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, and today I'm going to be going over a detailed tutorial on how to take the soft top off of your Jeep Wrangler JL models. You know, with summer right around the corner and things really starting to heat up out here, a lot more people are looking to ride around with their doors and the tops off of their Jeep Wranglers, but a lot of you new Wrangler buyers might not necessarily know the best or most efficient way to take the soft top, so I'm just here to go over a detailed tutorial on the process on doing that. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so we're going to start things off inside the Wrangler itself, and the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take both the driver and passenger side sun visors and we're going to fold those down. Now just above those you'll be able to notice two hooks that hold the soft top down to the frame of the Wrangler, and it's really easy to attach. It's a really innovative design. All you need to do is just pull down on these latches and the hooks will automatically detach, and then you're free to lift up the front half of the soft top just like so. So the next thing that we're going to do after lifting up the front half of the soft top is we're going to take out all the window panels on the back of the Jeep. So we're going to start off by opening up the tailgate so we can get to the back glass, and Jeep actually made this super easy to take off the window panels in the back glass in the JL models. Coming from the JKs, they're not going to get any more zippers or anything like that. These panels are actually going to be on a track system, so it makes it super easy to take off. So we're going to start off by pulling out these clips on the bottom. They just hook into place and they're really easy to come out. Then after that, I'm going to start peeling away the clips on the side. It's super easy to come off because they're on this track system. And under both the left and right sides, it's going to have these clamps that hook into place. I'm just going to pull them out. It's super easy to pull out like so. And pulling up this cover piece right here, you can see that this back glass is actually on a track along the top, which makes it super easy. We're just going to pull this off to the side and it's going to slide right out. All right, so taking off the side window panels is going to be a very similar process to the back glass. We're actually going to start on the back corner right here. We're just going to pop it off from the frame like so. It's super easy. And now we're just going to follow this track along the side. Just like how the back glass was attached, you're going to have these little hooks that clip into place. Going to follow all the way up, and then we're just going to detach the Velcro, and you can see right here it's going to be on a track system just like the back glass was, and it's going to slide right out. All right, it's going to be the exact same process for the left window panel right here. I'm just going to pop it out from the side like so. I'm going to follow the track all the way across the bottom. Same thing vertically. I'm going to pull it all the way up, detach the Velcro. I'm going to slide it out. The soft top on the Jeep Wrangler JL is going to be really easy to push back as well. Jeep has actually implemented a hydraulic track system that they put in place that's going to make it really easy and super simple to fold down your soft top. Really all you're going to do is just take an arm, push it back, and it's going to fold down like so. Now if you notice in the roof of your soft top, there's going to be a release handle, and as soon as I pull on this handle, you can see it's going to engage the track system that I was talking about earlier, and the soft top is just going to fold back into place. Easy as that. Now the process for putting your soft top back on is super easy as well. I'm just going to take it from the back right here. I'm going to slide it up. It's going to lock into place. Now I can just take this bar and I can pull it forward like so. Now all I really have to do is just pull it back down and clip it back into place. The window panels are going to be super easy to put back on as well, and just so you know, each panel is going to be labeled to make it really easy to know which side it goes on. So you can see for the left side it's going to be panel number 1, and then the other side is going to be panel number 2. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this track right here, I'm going to line it up alongside the groove that it slides into. I'm just going to slide it all the way across until it matches up with that spot where we Velcroed earlier. Next, I'm going to take those green tracks and slot them into the grooves just like we pulled them out earlier. I'm going to work my way alongside and I'm going to work my way along the bottom. Now it's very easy to see where the slot fits in, so you can see where the number is. It's going to fit in right here, and then there's going to be a hook where it fits into the bottom. All right, it's going to be the same process for my number 2 panel right here. So you can see I'm going to take my track, line it up with the groove. I'm going to slide it all the way across. I'm find out my spot where I Velcro it in at. All right, now I've got that down. I'm gonna lock into my grooves on the side. And the same thing right here, I'm gonna slide into the track along the bottom. And now I'm just gonna lock in the back corner to the frame right here. All right, so the very last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put back in the back glass. So I'm gonna do the same thing as I did with the windows. I'm gonna take this track right here. I'm gonna line it up with this guide underneath this panel right here. I'm just gonna slide that across. Okay. Now I'm gonna take these hooks that we had along the bottom before, and I'm gonna clip them back into place like so. I'm gonna run along the sides. I'm gonna slip these things back in their tracks. And put back in the bottom corner pieces, and we'll be good to go. All right, you guys, this has been my tutorial on how to take the soft top of your Jeep Wrangler JL. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Be sure to like and share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one that I make.